Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn on how to drop a pin on Google Maps. It's an easy and simple process. All you gotta do is watch this video till the end without skipping a part. So let's get started. First, open in Google Maps. Then find the place that you want to add the pin. For example, let's say I want to add pin here. To add pin in this place, simply click on it. And as you can see here, we have just added a pin on Google Maps. When the pin is added, you can see this window at the bottom. This represents the longitude and latitude. You can also share this pinned location by tapping on the share button. And using any of the platforms given here, you can share this location. And guys, that was it. This is how you add pin to Google Maps. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.